She's getting closer. Now I'm in fast. Oh my gosh, Eleanor is right on Alice's tail. Eleanor is right there. Oh, we're still only a 3,000 difference.
Look at that.
It's still Alice and Eleanor. Oh, Eleanor took the lead. Oh, 30 seconds left. It's right now. It's right here, Alice and Eleanor. Eleanor and Alice, right there. I'm not even paying attention to my own machine anymore. I'm fast. There's no way I can. Alice and Eleanor. Oh, Alice has got a 7,000 point lead. Keep that going. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Again, Alice is still in lead. Eleanor is right behind. Right behind. Eleanor is touching up.
You got it, Alice. Keep going, baby.
20 seconds left.
Come on. Come on, Alice. Come on.
Down to 10 seconds.
8, 7, 6, baby. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Gilbert and then Caitlin. All right. Now let me announce your prizes. What can you choose from?
Congratulations, Alice!
So again, a big pay attention for all my contestants. I'm going to announce your prizes. Again, you get to choose first what you want. So Alice, you get the first choice. Starting off, you've got the Shops on Board, a Bella Perlina bracelet, earring, and necklace set from Bella Perlina. We have from the Casino Royale an entry into the free slot tournament on the last season to win some cash prizes, as well as a polo shirt from Casino Royale. Prize number 3 is from the Vitality Day Spa. It is a complimentary mini facial from the Vitality Day Spa. Explorers a Cruise and Review DVD from the Photo Gallery. Again, a souvenir to take home. And lastly, prize number 5 is a cave tubing excursion in Belize to the Ceremonial Cave Tubing, one of the most popular tours in Belize. So those are your options. Alice, what would you like? Cave tubing, Vitality Day Spa mini facial, Cruise Review DVD, or the Bella Perlina bracelet, or the entry into the slot tournament?
Bracelet. She wants you!
Right behind door number 2.
Tournament.
The entry into the slot tournament, right there, to win some cash prizes. That's another one of those. But for cash prizes, for a prize in the last C-Day, so that's a free entry into the slot tournament. All right, where is Mary?
Mary.
What would Mary like for her prize?
Here, babe, she picked. Okay, yeah, you can go there.
All right.
She picked the
Mary,
entry.
you've got either the Ceremonial Cave Tubing, the Photo Gallery Cruise Review DVD, the Bella bracelet set, or you've got what else is there? The Vitality Day Spa mini facial, Photo Gallery, the cruising tour, the tour for the caves, or the Bella Perlina bracelet and watch set, or the waist bracelet, necklace, and earring set. All right, we're going Bella Perlina from the Shops on Board. Next up, Eleanor. Where's Eleanor? All right, Eleanor, you got either the mini facial,